Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabby Catano and this is Catano Glam English. Today the setup is a little different and as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys my beauty room. So I'm standing in front of that door because I want to show you literally everything from the second you walk into my beauty room. So if you are interested in watching this, then keep on watching, but first subscribe to my channel so that you can see the rest of my videos that I upload here in English and hit the notification bell because I do post between 1 and 2 times a week, usually on Sundays and on Wednesdays. And with so many YouTube creators, it's getting a lot harder to keep up with everybody that you like to watch, so it's always awesome to get a little notification and reminder for whenever I post a video. I really hope that you subscribe so that we can grow this family like my other channel has. And if you're interested in watching my videos on my other channel, they are totally in Spanish, so para las que hablan español y quieren ver mis otros videos de YouTube en español, síganme por allá en mi canal Catano Glam. And another thing, it's gonna be kind of like vlog style, so that's why I'm holding my camera up here, and I'm actually gonna disappear from being the star of the show today, and I will be on the other side of the camera walking you guys through the video. Okay, let's get into it. So when you walk into my beauty room, these are the first things that you see over here on your right hand side, and I'm obsessed with all of these frames. I think they're so pretty. And then this is definitely my favorite. You guys know I'm obsessed with glitter. Just look at how that sparkles. And also, sorry if I'm out of breath, but whew, I feel like I need to compose myself. So over here I have this little section where this is kind of like a floating shelf, and I really love it because I can kind of display a few of my favorite things onto here. So let's start off with the candles. So the candles that I have over here, I'm pretty sure are from HomeGoods. So I also have that same candle over here. I have a super pretty PR package that Urban Decay sent me when their Naked Heat collection launched, and I just haven't gotten rid of it. I have some lipsticks. Now these lipsticks came in another PR package from L'Oreal, and they're very pretty, but to be honest with you, I never use them. But I think that the acrylic plasticky casing that they come in is so cute, and it goes really well with this acrylic case that I got from HomeGoods, and this was $5. This over here is also from HomeGoods. I believe everything in my room is either from HomeGoods, IKEA, and some things from TJ Maxx. So this is where I keep my favorite lip glosses from Urban Decay. This is actually all from the Hi-Fi Shine lip glosses. You guys have seen me use these all the time. To be honest, whatever is in this particular section I don't really use, but I do use all of these. So over here we have this magazine with my mom on the cover of it. I keep it in here for 2 reasons. One, who doesn't want beauty inspo from her? I can't think of one person. And 2, boom, she has a spread in here talking about everything that she's accomplished, including her skincare line, which is called Catano by Anise. I always have it linked down below in the description box so you guys could check that out. These are the perfumes that I have kind of on display, but to be honest, I only use 2 of them. I love this one from Bulgari. And then I also have this Victoria's Secret spray, which is running out. Clearly, I'm obsessed with it. Over here is where we have the candles that do work. So this is a candle that is quickly running out. I literally got it for Christmas. It's January right now. Christmas was in December, and I'm like more than halfway done. This one also smells super fire. Okay, so this is something that I recently added to my room that I'm obsessed with. I don't know what these are called. They have all these letters that you can take out. You can write whatever sort of message you want on here. Right over here, I have 2 drawers, but this is mainly for like paperwork. I have my notes from my Makeup by Mario class in here. And then I have some accessories for filming. In this drawer, I have kind of like fashion essentials and other random things. There's like really no makeup in these drawers. I have these really cute chairs. These were the original chairs that I had for my glam room when I first got the glam room. And I want to say that these are from HomeGoods or IKEA for sure. And then we have some really cute throw pillows from Vera Wang. So what I really love about these chairs is that it has this little thing so you can move it up. Going over to this corner, this is kind of like a random ass corner. I have this really cute throw pillow, and then I have this random thing. I have no idea what it is. You can use it as a chair, you can use it to put your purse on it. I pretty much put this pillow like that, and I cover that little thing that used to be connected to the house phone. And then I have these curtains. I really love how these curtains look. I think they're very cute, very glam because they're a little bit sheer. They're like that white, but then you can also see through them. But at the same time, I don't like that you could see through them because at night, that's kind of creepy. They go all the way down to the floor. So these are literally perfect. Martin Amado, the interior designer, is what I'm going to call him. He pretty much helped me design this entire room into what I wanted it to be. So he said that this style curtain kind of makes the room look a little bit bigger and longer. So I love them. I think this bench is the best thing that could have ever been added into this room. This is another thing that I use when people come into my room. If I have two clients and let's say they come together, one of them can sit over here and relax while the other one is getting her makeup done. Under here, I have a few bags with some camera equipment, extra makeup. Moving on to this section, I have to have these things stacked up one on top of another. This is a case that it was a gift for me, and then under here is another makeup case from MAC. I'm gonna take them off and I'll show you what happens. Automatically, this drawer opens up. It's the weirdest thing. I'm convinced that my room is lopsided. So in here, I have a lot of my smaller palettes. Okay, so these are just some of my examples of the palettes that I have in this drawer. I really want to organize this drawer so badly, but for now, this is what we're dealing with. So this is another drawer that has some palettes. These are my larger palettes. Just to let you guys know, a ton of my palettes are actually in California right now. So this is what I have currently in Miami. So this top drawer is my eye drawer. Clients do not use any of these products. I don't mix any of these. These are my eye products. She's a bit messy, but we're gonna forgive her. So this is actually really cool because you can slide it so you can see what kind of products you have in here. I have some eyeliners, eyelash curler, mascara, brow stuff, eyelash glue, eyeliner, tweezers, all my mascaras that I'm obsessed with. And you can also take this out. This is my favorite part of my makeup. All my lashes. Let me know if you guys see any of your faves. This is filled with eyeliners, and so is this one. I just opened it up. This is pretty much what I'm working with. All of my pencil eyeliners, liquid eyeliners, and then in here I have way more of that. This is like another floating shelf thing that I have going on. Up there I have a cute little decoration. During Big and Little Week in my sorority, my Big gave this to me, and though she be but little, she is fierce, and I kept it and I put it into my glam room because hello, I am fierce. This is one of my favorite modeling campaigns / pictures that I've ever done. It was for Designer Eyes, I believe. I don't know if I'm still on the website, but your girl modeled for that company and I'm obsessed with this picture. These are my Olive vitamins that are literally about to run out. I got these at the Makeup by Mario class. They were a sponsor and I have them in my glam room because this is the undeniable beauty vitamins, so duh, naturally I had them in here. Random shell, don't know why I have that. This is filled with Q-tips because whenever I'm doing makeup on myself or on others, I will most likely need a Q-tip. This is a rose water and I never use it. This is kind of just like another random artifact that's over here. Okay, I had to do a side note. I just went on and turned some more lights on because this room gets so freaking dark. So I'm sorry for the change of lighting throughout my whole video, but let's continue on. Here we have another little lipstick container. I think this is from TJ Maxx and this was only $8. I use these a lot more often. Over here, me and my bestie, she gave this to me I think for my birthday like 2 years ago. I don't know, but I love the frame. I think it's super cute. It's very shiny. It goes with the theme of my room. Shiny, sparkly, and another one of these things that matches what I have up top. So this little corner is looking a little bleh right now. What I want to get is some Alex drawers from IKEA. I already have some, which I'll show you in a second, but I want to get like the really long one and place it over here. For now, I have a backdrop and I have a fan. I usually have this fan in the front of the room, which is that way. And I turn it on when clients are here because this room gets super hot. So let's move on to the vanity. Hello, how are you? This is my favorite spot of the whole room, obviously. So I have my ring light on right over here. My soft boxes. This is pretty much part of my film setup, but I have a lot of things in LA right now. So this is not gonna be a film setup video. This is just my glam room, and this is how I have the glam room right now in its current state. Up here, you can actually see the light fixture that I have. The only thing that I don't like from it is the fact that because it has those little circle things, you see how the light is moving everywhere, kind of dispersed out. It doesn't give an even distribution of light in the room. So for a makeup artist, it's okay because I have these big lights, but for filming purposes, I would rather have a different type of light up there. So hopefully I will update this. This is essential, always. Need a roll of paper towel. This is usually filled with water. It's just a little sprayer. I like to use it to clean this. I like to use it if I want to wet my hair for some reason, if I want to like style it a certain way. I'll use this little thing and just spritz my hair with it. It was $2 and I got this, I'm pretty sure, at Sally Beauty. We got some facial tissues over here. I usually don't have lashes out here, but right now my lash drawer is currently full, so I have been loving these. These are some drugstore lashes from Ardell. Fake plant, needed some green in this room. This is also freaking amazing. I use this all over my body all the time. This is from Jade Ava Beauty. So this little cup I got from Ardell. They sent this to me. It's a little bit dirty. I gotta clean her up, but look at how cute it is. And over here, it's like a lipstick stain. How cute is that? These are some of my brushes. That's why they're not that clean, because these are mine. I use these pretty much every day. So these are actually two things in one. This top thing over here, I got it in Amazon. These are my lip liners, but these lipsticks, everything in here, I will scoop out and use for clients. Like, I usually don't touch this. And trust me, it might seem a little confusing, like what's for clients and what's for me, but trust me, I know my room. I know where everything is. I don't get anything twisted, nothing confused. I don't really have a place for these right now, but these are some Urban Decay Lo-Fi lip mousses. This is what I use on myself. These are like my main bitches right here. These first two things are for lipsticks and lip glosses that I do use on clients. These are my brushes, like from right here to right here are mine, strictly mine. Now from this one to this is my client brushes, and I actually have a bunch that are in my bathroom right now that are dirty. So these are all of my clean ones. These are all sprays. Over here, these are my sponges. Nobody touches these, only me. Hello, we meet again. So I love this mirror. This is something that I use all the time when I'm doing my videos. I usually sit right over here with one of the chairs that were back there. And so this is a mirror that I can move up, I can move down. It used to turn on, but it fell. This is just like all of my like face palettes, highlights, contour, bronzer, blush. Bringing it back to this part of the room, this right here, these things, and those things and this white thing, that is all from IKEA. It's not a desk that came together, but the advantage is I can move it to however I need it to fit. Let's hop into my foundation drawer. Some liquid foundations. I actually threw out a lot of foundations. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you would have known that. And then back here, I have some liquid glow. Over here, it's still pretty much foundations. And then back here, I have some more liquid glow. Guys, she's a messy one. This is such a messy drawer. I'm being real with you. I'm showing you exactly what I have. So hopefully this drawer will get nice and organized very soon. But as you can see, it's all of like my single bronzers, highlights, my favorite of all, translucent powders. This is the eye drawer and eyebrow drawer for my clients. They get dirty really easily because they're white, but just as easily as they get dirty, they get easily cleaned up, honestly. This is like so low maintenance. Currently, these are makeshift storage. So this top thing is skincare. Over here, we have more skincare products. Concealer drawer. I definitely need to update this drawer. I need some more concealer. Disclaimer, I'm about to show you where most of my lipstick is, and this is my lipstick for my clients, and I have so much lipstick and lip products for them that the drawers are filled to the brim and I need to depot lipsticks. Okay, so this is one of my lipstick drawers. And then this is yet another lipstick drawer. So moving on to this side, this is where I have all of my hairsprays. This is my personal brush. Over here, we have more hair products. I use these things on my clients. I always tell my clients to put these on just to get their hair out of their face. This has all of my heat tools. Moving on to the final drawer, I have a bunch of like body skincare and I got some Loving Tan. Guys, screenshot this right now. It will leave you looking glowy AF. This little hidden corner over here has all of my face masks. It has some eye patches. Now these things, including like lip patches and stuff like that, I will use this on my clients. This is for whoever gets that add-on. In this bag, this is pretty much all of my extra hairsprays, and believe it or not, I have a huge box in the dining room that has a bunch of hair products also. I have some bobby pins, some hair scrunchies, and then I have some clips. By the way, these are the sandals I wear inside my house. Don't judge me. They're super comfortable. These are all of my primers. And then guys, this is the first makeup bag that I ever had. How cute is she? She opens up, she has little drawers that pop out. These little clear baggies that you guys saw, even like these right here with the eyebrow stuff, they all came in this bag. Dun, da, da, da. This is the chair that I use for my clients. It's so freaking awesome. It was off Amazon. I think it was like $90. This is like the best investment ever. It's super portable, super easy. Right now it is next to the mirror, so I can't open it up, but if you guys see this little tray right here, opens up so you have some space to put all your makeup. So I move this right here where the magic happens. And then I have a trash can because in a room full of makeup, there's obviously going to be trash. I had to show you guys this little sign. Martin Amalo included this when he did my room. And then right before we did the glam room, I knew that I wanted these mirrors for my room. It is so awesome because it helps me literally come in here and look at my outfit, see if I like it, see if it matches with the makeup I'm wearing. I wanted to talk to you guys about this vanity. It's literally a mirror and the lights stop right here, which is at the perfect height. And that's because Martin, me too, because I did a little bit of it, are badasses. When we redid this room, it came out on TV. And I will insert some clips if I can. And this was actually a DIY vanity. So the mirror itself, I think was like $100. I think it was from Home Goods. And then we got these patio lights and we just literally like drilled them in. I wanted to tell you guys, I used to have a rug in my room and it was so beautiful. The rug was white, and the reason that I had to take it out is because this room is also for clients. People come in with dirty shoes sometimes from the outside. In Miami, it rains a lot. So I had to get rid of the rug. It's still in my possession. It's currently in the back office. Even though it really brought the room together, I just think that like hygiene-wise and sanitary-wise, it was just getting really dirty and it was very hard to clean. So that's about does it for my glam room. There's a lot of things in my glam room that I currently don't have because they are in California. I'm gonna be updating a lot of things in my glam room. I would like more storage space. I would like to add a few little more glittery decorations here and there, like on the empty walls. And I felt like it was important for me to show you because everybody starts somewhere. So I'm gonna include some clips of what the glam room used to look like 3 years ago, and you can compare it to how it looks now. I've definitely upgraded just based on the amount of makeup that I have, based on my video content creation. If you guys have any suggestions, if you guys have some sort of way that you guys have stored your makeup that you think that I could benefit from or that I would be interested in, maybe please leave me a comment down below because your girl needs some help with organization, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video and if you want me to update you guys probably in like 6 months to a year from now of how I organize the rest of my makeup when I get more things, and please leave me a comment down below. I would love to do another video. But if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified when I post my next video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!